So LeetCode rotating the box. In this problem, you're given a box with some stones and some obstacles, and you rotate that box by 90 degrees, and all of the stones fall down by gravity. Okay, so the pound sign is a stone, the dot represents empty space, and the asterisks are the obstacles. Okay, so the way I like to solve this problem is I just call a cascade function on every row of the box. So you can see here I'm looping through all of the rows in my box, and I cascade, so this is going to be a function that we will implement on every box. And then I rotate my matrix by 90 degrees. So this is it's much simpler to do the cascade function on rows instead of on columns. So I perform the cascading as if gravity was horizontal, and only after I rotate my matrix. So this is just a one-liner that I found that rotates the matrix by 90 degrees. And it's already a solved problem on LeetCode, so I know it by experience. And then at the end, you just return your box after having rotated it 90 degrees. Okay, so now how is the cascade function? The cascade function, you're going to need a stones counter. So this is the amount of stones that are currently falling with you. And then you loop through all of the positions of the row. And if at the current position you have an obstacles, then you offload all of your stones. So for every stone that you have, the position before the obstacle becomes a stone. So if the obstacle is at position 5 and you have 3 stones, then position 4, 3, and 2 are going to become stones, right? And then after doing that, now you don't have any more stones carrying with you because you've just offloaded them onto this obstacle. And so now you reset your counter to 0 and you keep going forward. And then what if you, instead of having an asterisk, you find a pound sign? In that case, you have now one more stone that you're carrying down with you, right? That stone is falling. And you want to set its previous position to an empty square. Now, if later on an asterisk is found, this will become a pound sign again, maybe. But it doesn't matter. For now, we set it to an empty spot, because the stone is falling from there, and we do not know yet if another stone will take its place. For now, all we know is, okay, this stone is falling, so we set it to an empty space. Then maybe this might become, again, a stone. We don't know that yet. And at the end, one more thing that you have to do is, even though you've finished this loop, you might be having still some stones left over. So for example, if you have 2 stones and you never find an obstacle, then you would never offload them. So instead, we manually do that. So if we have some leftover stones, then you just do the same thing that you do here. So it's like if you had an artificial obstacle at the end. And that's it. So I'll submit a solution to show that it works. And yeah, that's it for me. Thank you. Bye.